A good system design, in my opinion, is just reliable. It does the task that you want to do, and it's reliable. You can count on it. Hey guys, I'm Jonah. I'm an instrumentation and controls technician that works for TremTech Electrical, and this is the Renco packaging machine. So the problem the customer was facing was they had an old section of the packaging machine that was prone to failure. They wanted to get a new one in. They shipped it to us at TremTech. We took that, made the HMI, the program, we wired it up, got it working in the shop. We then put it on a trailer, brought it back to the customer, put it into the packaging line. The goal of this system is to package up bags of sugar, and then at the end of the line is the Renco. First they go into the index wheel. There's a motor. Clutch will engage, it will spin the index wheel. A feeding arm will kick the pouches into the plastic film. The plastic film will feed below a set of clamping jaws which will close above it. A little set of heaters will come out, seal the top, and then it will drop down and it'll feed another set of pouches above that, seal it again, and do that continuously, making around 84 bags a minute, sealing the top, the bottom, and the sides of it. The design phase of this job, it started with making a human machine interface, an HMI, finding the design we liked, and then moved on to the programming side of it, writing up a bit of a sequence, developing a program they think would work, and then physically wiring in all the components, uploading the program and testing it to see how it worked, make little tweaks. We then moved it into the assembly line, continued to make tweaks as sugar packets were actually being packaged up. I really like the satisfaction at the end where you have put all this work into programming it and designing it yourself when you see a whole machine working, just all the sequence, everything happening one after another perfectly in time. It's satisfying.